Hi, everyone, and welcome to today's episode on Brief Talk. And I'll be focusing on the subject clarity beyond distraction. You see, we now live in a world where every day competes, for your attention. There are notifications here and there, opinions, pressure, comparisons, religions, relationship pressure, the also itself for money and all that. Little by little, they pull your focus away from what truly matters. One of the tricks of distraction is that it often looks permissibly urgent and not dangerous. But you see, destiny requires attention. You cannot decode direction clearly when your mind is crowded. You cannot see purpose clearly when your time is scattered. The Bible says in 1 Corinthians chapter 14 and verse 33, it says, "For God is not the author of confusion, but of peace." You see, clarity lives where there is order. Peace often creates room for vision. Now, when you remove what is unnecessary, what remains becomes obvious. Sometimes the breakthrough you are praying for is not far away. It is most often hidden behind the noise. Hey, I'll take that again. Sometimes the breakthrough you are praying for is not far away. It's most often hidden behind the noise. So, if you can step back, refocus, and quiet your heart, you begin to see what has always been there. Please note this: beyond distraction is direction, beyond noise is purpose, and beyond the veil is the clarity of your destiny. So, therefore, it is time to filter. It may not be pleasant, but you have to sieve out those things that does not add any tangible value to your future. Filter, filter them out, and obtain clarity for your destiny. Looking forward to seeing you in next episode. Stay blessed and stay on top.